This is Chris Kelly through Peak Wellness Weekly Injury Fix. And this weekly injury fix goes out to all of my runners with shin splints, all right? Issues with the kind of the front of their leg here, and just sort of pain and aching when you get done with a longer run. What usually happens in this scenario is excessive heel strike. So oftentimes when we're running straight up and down, and we're landing excessively kind of on the heel of our foot, all right? What that does is causes the front of our leg here, we call it our anterior tibialis muscle, to get tight and knotted up. So some quick things that you can do for that. One thing that we like a lot, first and foremost, we want to ice, okay? What we've done here is we've frozen a water bottle, okay? Just put it up, put it in the freezer for around 20 minutes, and just roll it. What you can do is literally just roll it up and down this area. Now you can either just kind of come over it, roll like this, like you're doing a traditional foam roller, or simply hold it over this area, ice for around 5 to 10 minutes right after you run. That'll start to quiet things down and allow healing to start to begin. The other thing that we can do is take a rolling pin and just really roll up and down. Right? You'll get into some pretty knotty spots, some spots that kind of hurt quite a bit. When you find that spot, I just want you to think about pressing down, kind of wiggling your foot up and down. Okay, just kind of wiggle over each spot until you start to work out that area, and that'll tell the muscle to release. But when we talk about why this happens in general, we see excessive heel strike where we're running up and down and just kind of jarring my body. When you're running, I want you to think about leaning forward a little bit, so sort of the force is a little bit more displaced, and landing more on the middle of the foot versus excessively on the toes or excessively on the heel. Okay, so as we're landing, we want to think about maybe not being here, leaning forward slightly. That's going to help you run. Another thing that we can do in our warm-up are just simple plyometric drills, such as skips, to practice kind of landing and cushioning the impact. We can do skips, followed by butt kicks, and again, followed by something like a straight leg skip, all with the goal of simply practicing landing on my midfoot, landing on my toes, versus excessively striking my heels. So, a set of maybe 10 to 15 skips, followed by 10 to 15 butt kicks, prepares the body physically to run, and allows us to kind of remind our body to lean forward a little bit and land correctly as we run. That's your weekly injury fix.